What if I told you that in just 8 minutes, you could master 30 useful sentences that English speakers use every single day? And what if those sentences started to come out of your mouth naturally without you having to think about every single word? And welcome to English TopTop, the place where you train your mouth, your ears, and your brain to work together in English. In this lesson, I'm going to share my real morning routine, step by step, and I'll turn it into a powerful speaking exercise for you. But here's the secret. You are not just watching a video. You're not a passive student. You are my shadowing partner. That means you listen to me, and then you copy me immediately. You repeat exactly what I say. You copy my rhythm, my tone, my speed, and even my pauses. Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about spelling. Don't worry if your accent isn't perfect. Right now, the most important thing is muscle memory. You are teaching your mouth and your tongue to move in English. The more you shadow, the more natural English will feel. Today is part one of my complete daily routine. From the moment I wake up until the time I start work, we will practice 30 sentences together. These are simple, everyday sentences, but they are extremely powerful because you can use them in real life immediately. Here's how we'll do it. First, I'll say a sentence. You just listen. Then I'll say it again, and you repeat after me. Try to speak at the same time as me, or just a tiny bit after me. If you make a mistake, it's okay. Keep going. Fluency comes from repetition, not from perfection. If this is your first time on English TopTop, and you want to speak English more confidently every single day, make sure you follow and turn on notifications so you never miss a practice session. All right, are you ready to train? Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders. Let's start. Morning routine. Shadow with me. Remember, listen first, then repeat with me. 1. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. 2. The alarm clock rings loudly on my bedside table. 3. I stretch my arms and yawn before getting out of bed. 4th, First, I drink a glass of cold water to wake myself up. 5. I brush my teeth for exactly 2 minutes. 6. I wash my face with warm water and a gentle soap. 7. I look at myself in the bathroom mirror. 8. I comb my hair and make it look neat and tidy. 9. I put on my comfortable morning clothes. 10. I make my bed before leaving the bedroom. Great job. Let's pause for a moment. Can you feel how your mouth is starting to get used to these sounds? Every time you repeat a sentence, you're building a new habit in English. Don't worry if you're not perfect. The goal is to stay with me and not give up. Let's continue with the next part of my morning. 11. I go to the kitchen and turn on the coffee machine. 12. I make scrambled eggs and toast for breakfast. 13. I eat breakfast while reading the news on my phone. 14. I drink a glass of orange juice and a cup of hot coffee. 15. After breakfast, I wash the dishes in the sink. 16. I choose my clothes for work carefully. 17. I put on my favorite blue shirt and black pants. 18. I check the weather forecast on my phone. 19. I pack my lunch in a small container. 20. I grab my keys, my wallet, and my phone before leaving. Nice work. You're doing really well. If you're still shadowing with me right now, say out loud, I'm improving my English. Go on, say it. It might feel silly, but it helps you stay motivated. Now we're going to practice the part of my routine when I leave home and go to work. Keep shadowing. Don't stop now. This is where the real progress happens. 21. I leave my house at 8:30 sharp. 22. I walk to the bus stop near my building. 23. I wait for the number 12 bus to arrive. 24. On the bus, I listen to English podcasts. 25. I arrive at my office at 9:15. 26. I greet my colleagues with a friendly smile. 27. I check my emails and make a to-do list for the day. 28. I attend 3 important meetings today. 29. During my lunch break, I eat in the company cafeteria. 30. I work on my computer until 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Amazing. You just shadowed 30 essential daily routine sentences in English. That's a big achievement. These sentences may look simple, but they contain a lot of useful vocabulary and natural patterns that native speakers use all the time. Now, here's how you can get even more value from this lesson. First, replay this video at least 2 more times today. The second time, try to stay exactly in sync with my voice. The third time, try to speak a little bit faster than me. Push yourself gently, but don't stress. Enjoy the rhythm. Second, choose 5 of your favorite sentences from this video and change them so they match your real life. For example, instead of, I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning, you might say, I wake up at 6:30 on weekdays, or I wake up at 9 on weekends. Personalizing the sentences makes them easier to remember. Third, record yourself. Open the voice recorder on your phone, pick 10 sentences from this lesson, and shadow them while recording. Then listen to your own voice. Don't be shy. This is one of the fastest ways to hear your progress and notice small things you want to improve. And now, here is your English TopTop challenge of the day. Use this sentence. I leave my house at 12 sharp. Fill in the time that is true for you. Maybe it's 7:15, maybe it's 8 o'clock, maybe it's 9:30. Write your sentence in the comments and say it out loud 3 times. Remember, your English will not change in one day, but it will change if you practice a little bit every day. Shadowing is like going to the gym for your mouth and your brain. The more you train, the stronger your English becomes. This was part 1 of my daily routine, from waking up to starting work. In part 2, we'll cover my evening routine, and I'll teach you 5 secret words and phrases that make you sound more natural and more confident, almost like a native speaker. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to follow English TopTop, like this lesson, and share it with a friend who also wants to improve their speaking. Keep shadowing, keep repeating, and keep going, even when it feels difficult. You are doing better than you think. Thanks for practicing with me today. Subscribe to English TopTop, and I'll see you in part 2. Until then, keep your English moving forward, one simple sentence at a time.